turn on captions. Hello, Kid, and today I'm going to show you how to make a custom block in MCreator with 6-side rotation using BlockBench and no custom code. This will work with any Minecraft modeling program, but might require some testing on your end. This also requires you already have a model for this. Okay, let's go. Step 1, open BlockBench. Step 2, open your model. Okay, here we have my model on rotate. First, go properties and make sure our variable's right. This is what will identify the name of the texture, basically. It'll just make it easier. I just copying the name and pasting it into the variable, minus your file extension. Step 2, Control A, select your entire model, and then make sure the bottom part is facing away from the end like this. Step 2. First of all, on step 2, you're going to want to go to Display, Block, Apply to all slots. This will be used for our rotations. I have some of my own rotations, and here's like some screenshots of them. You're going to want to open the mod you're going to be making. First off, you're going to go to Import Textures, Import Block Textures, then find wherever your textures are. This is the texture I'll be using. Now you want to go to Import JSON Model, search for your model name, and then just find the corresponding texture to the name here. Now let's make the block itself. The bottom/main will be the particles you see when you walk on it or break it. Next thing you want to do is go select your model, and select rotation to DUNSWE rotation. Rotation from block face. Just set whatever you like here. That's what I'll have. And I'll wait for it to start up, so we're back. Now I'm going to test out our block. Mine's in combat, so I'll find iron spikes. As you can see, like, the rotations are going very well. So, yep. Doing so well so far. And boom. Yay. So, yeah. That was how to make a custom block with 6-side rotation. No code and BlockBench. Have a good day. Hello. I'm swimming. Oh no, I'm drowning. Whee.